Pneumatic wrench operation video. First, we connect the air source to our FRL filter-regulator-lubricator connector. Then we connect the wrench's connector to the air outlet of the FRL unit. Then, we lift the pressure regulating valve upwards, rotate clockwise until adjusting the air pressure gauge. We need to torque to 1000 Nm. We will use the air pressure gauge provided with the tool. Select the value corresponding to 1000 Nm, which is 2.68. At this time, we need to press the wrench's switch simultaneously, then increase the pressure value clockwise. Adjust to 2.6. Then, we press the pressure regulating valve down to fix this value. At this time, the wrench rotates clockwise. If we need to reverse the wrench, we flip the direction switch to the other side. If the wrench is no longer in use, we first release the air pressure counterclockwise. Make the air pressure display 0. Then we unplug the connector on the wrench side. Then plug the connector on the air source side.